Why do customers from 126 countries over the world choose our WPC decking? Because MexyTech has a complete solution to ensure the floor is durable and save labor cost. First of all, our WPC decking is excellent. The next one is our joist. The modular aluminum joist is a patent product developed by MexyTech. It can perfectly solve the problem on duration and lightweight material. The third one is the decking clips. In consideration of the sliding, wrapping problems because of the improper installation, we developed a new installation system and obtained our own patents. The dentate design allows the clips connecting into the side groove and save more than 2 steps of the decking installation. Look at this beautiful area. It only takes 5 hours to finish the installation. It's very time saving and labor cost saving.